some breaking news out of Richmond.
Hey! Who the hell wants to go to a goddamn punk rock show at the E Street Pub? Huh? Who the fuck's with me? This shit's going down on Friday, September 26th. Frank N. Smoke Records presents Wayne County's Revenge, featuring the 30th anniversary reunion of Richmond, Indiana's No Outlet. Shit, yeah! With special guests Dryrot and Left-Handed Rifle. Fuck me! That's a good goddamn lineup. So yeah, Friday night, September 26th at the East Street Pub at 816 Northeast Street, Richmond, Indiana. $5 at the door. Ha 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 ha!
This town is in danger.
So I'll see you buttholes at the show. Let's blow the roof off this son of a fucking bitch.